Hey, I'm Larry Burk from Let Magic Happen Coaching in Durham, and I'll be giving a workshop at the Unity Holistic Wellness Center in Raleigh, both in person and on Zoom on Saturday, October 15th from 10 to 12 noon. The title will be EFT Tapping and Self-Healing for Food Cravings and Third Chakra Imbalances. The goal will be to teach you a little bit of meditation, a little bit of expressive writing, a little bit of EFT tapping, and some self-hypnosis to deal with food cravings, the eating disorders, type 2 diabetes, and those types of issues. In the third chakra, shame is the shadow emotion that we'll be addressing, and also the idea of not being enough, and also to find ways to make your life sweeter so you don't have to make your blood sweet. This class is based on previous classes I've taught at the Duke Diet and Fitness Center and the Rice Diet, as well as a larger Zoom workshop that I do on transforming the symptoms in the lower four chakras. You don't need any prior experience at tapping to benefit from this workshop, and I look forward to seeing everyone there.